Join us today as we go here at the CBS after Thanksgiving sale here in Sawtelle, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, I like that one. Look, they're running. Look at the people run. There's no elbows being thrown. This is no fun. It's always someone recording. It's always me. Yeah, I like to stay in the back. It's kind of fun. Watching people fight. No cutting a line. This is the great part. Still fighting.
Hey, Robert.
Look, another camera person. Look at that guy. Look at this guy too. Look at that. Quick, buy a tree, everybody. Look at what they have for sale. Other stuff. I got a pomegranate. There's a Princess Persimmon. Looking for a cork elm. There's some stones. Look at that stone. How you doing?
All right. How are you?
Wonderful. Look at people still buying. There's a ginkgo. Look at that. Look at the forest. Like $100. Well, that's not bad. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful.
I hear a familiar voice.
Oh, I'm always running.
This is great.
All right.
Hey, Tom.
How you doing? There's some pots. I'm looking for some pots. Look at an old Korean pot. $3.25. That's not bad. That's not bad size. A little chipped though. But you know what? Look at some of these nice newer pots. Nice size. Nice coloration. Look at some of these big pots. That's a nice one. There's always more in the back corner. People always miss that one. Excuse me. There's Mel. There's some books. That's not a bad price if you're looking for stands.
Take the whole thing.
You take the tool up, just put it there, and they give you,
Look at some old tools. Doing not bad prices if you're looking for some tools. Too bad I got a bunch of those. How you doing? Nice California. Check that out. There's John Kim. Look at people still here.
I hear Tom's voice.
I know. I'm always showing up. It's a bittersweet. That's kind of cool. Some Mr. Shea's trees. You can tell by the classic. Here's Jack. Here's Bob Pressler. There's working. Working field.
If their name goes on, you're buying.
That's a nice Tamaris. There's Michael Roberts here. Michael Roberts.
Look out. Here he is.
Oh. Let me put my camera down and start shopping now.
You better start shopping while you're going.
Yeah, I got a couple of mine. Don't need more trees though, but it's gonna.
Somebody took the tag.
Because it's sold? Okay.
Let me put my camera down and go shopping really quick. Alright, so here's the aftermath in about 10 minutes. Shelves were full at one point, shelves are empty. Let me see if I can get Bob and see, I can give him a couple seconds to talk about it. Hi, Kelly.
I'm holding this for someone.
Oh, so there's.
What I bought is in my car.
Oh, you bought something already. California's kind of cool. Pre-collected, $7.50. Could be grafted, but look at the deadwood on this guy. I mean, it has a nice twist. So, looking for something. This is kind of those hidden gems that people don't look at. Here's a ball cypress.
Oh, okay.
Not ball cypress, Chinese quince. That's kind of cool. Almost like cascade, but it's over rock though. That forest was awesome. Sold for like $3,000, but that was the old collector tree. You can see by the old trunks. You can see by the old trunks, you can see it's totally, those are really old. These are much younger, so they're actually almost two different varieties or the different age bracket. Older they get that little crusty background.
Hey, last tree for the day, man.
I have no idea what this is. It looks like a wisteria. I think that's a wisteria. You got Mr. Shay's tree still left.
Look at this. Buy it right now. It's a good tree.
Got some pots. You're looking for pots.
One more. Once you buy it,
Let me get a hold of Bob Pressler and I'll call it a day. What did you get, Frank? Oh, you got an elm. Look at that. Why did you like it, Frank? Why did you like this tree?
Where you got it?
Oh, you like it? Oh, yeah. Look at that. I think it's a great choice for your daughter.
It's for him.
No, it's for your daughter.
Is it for your daughter?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's a good choice. That was a great choice, I think, right? Elm, beautiful. Look at that smile. You had a great day, Frank.
I want to thank everybody that showed up to our, I don't even know what number it is, 5,677th annual members sale. So far it seems to be booming. We just had a crazy rush and my first chance to get a breath.
20 minutes, almost sold out.
Really?
Well, not quite sold out. We sold a bunch in 20 minutes. A lot of the stuff that's still on the table is already sold. But yeah, all the big stuff, all the good stuff zoomed out of here pretty quick. But really, I want to thank everybody that came and bought stuff, and I want to thank all the members that came and put stuff up for sale. This is a good fundraiser for the club. The club gets 20% of all the proceeds, and the members get 80%. And again, I think we're going to have a bang-up year. Looks like this year's going to be better than last year, and last year was the best year ever, so we like that. So, thank you. Come on down, though. We're open until 1. We still got a bunch of stuff here.
Hope you guys liked the video so far from the CBS after Thanksgiving sale at the Yamaguchi Nursery on LA or West LA. So I didn't film the whole thing, but it went pretty quick. So after an hour, pretty much everything that sold was sold. There's some stragglers left. So you saw some of those stragglers left behind, especially out of California. That was a really sweet deal. So if you're wondering what I bought, actually, I didn't buy anything for the longest time. I kind of held back. Didn't really need anything. I just need akadama. So I actually went to David & June's right after to buy some akadama from them. That's another video for you guys to watch a little later on. But I did pick up this stone. So if some people saw this stone, it is a Murphy stone. It was for $10 and it was marked down to $1. Jackie and I were fighting over it, and she actually gave this one up to me, so paid $1 for it. But it's really a cool stone. Like a lot of people missed the opportunity to pick up a nice Murphy stone. So it looks like a plateau with a snow-covered mountain, or it could be the reverse side. It could be the apex, and this is like a glacier on top. So a couple things you gotta look at. So when you're buying things, you may not pick up something. I love stones. And it's because you can't kill them. They're really easy to keep. You don't need to water them. And then Murphy stones, unusually, these are quartz, if I remember. I forgot the other type of stone they were made of. But the area where these used to be collected is no longer available. I think it's a concrete quarry now at this point in time. So that's kind of the reason why I keep my eye out for some unusual material. And I got to find someone to make a diaza for me for this one. So I think Jerry Braswell, I might hook you up one day. Make me another one for these guys. But that's it. That's what I bought. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. If you guys said hi to me, thank you so much. It means so much to meet you guys in person. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.